Many great popes, saints, and Christian leaders have encouraged us to pray the Rosary. It's a powerful prayer, they say, one that can change your life, strengthen the family, bring peace to the world, and win the salvation of souls. But does the average person experience the Rosary this way? Many Catholics, unfortunately, have the impression that the Rosary is not relevant for them. It might be a sacred prayer for every religious people, priests, religious sisters, and exceptional Catholics, but not for an ordinary layperson. Rosary is an important prayer, but it takes 15 to 20 minutes. I'm too busy. I don't have time for that. It's too hard to stay focused for that much time. I prefer shorter prayers. Many have all sorts of questions in their mind. Some have questions about the Rosary. Does all the attention to Mary distract us from a relationship with God? Why do we repeat the same prayers over and over? Are we supposed to concentrate on the prayers, the mysteries, or both? Still, others think the Rosary is just plain boring, a monotonous, mechanical way of talking to God, not as personal and meaningful as other forms of prayer. But what if I tell you that there is a lot more going on in the Rosary than simply saying these words and counting them with beads? What if you were to discover that there are many different ways to pray the Rosary indeed? Some that can easily fit within your schedule and help you with whatever challenges you face right now in your life. You can actually experience a profound, intimate, personal encounter with Jesus through this devotion. Think of the Rosary as being like the ocean. There's something in it for everyone.